Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is another open house of a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home here in the village of Sunset Point, here in the Villages, Florida. I hope you enjoy the tour. Take care. Welcome, friends. As always, please contact a listing agent if you would like more information on this home. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home here in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bath home. It is wood framed, and it does have mature landscaping here in the front of the house. It also has a nice sitting area in the front of the home. There's the roof line. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we're walking into the living room area. You can see the living room area has really nice wood floors, has very high ceilings as well. And I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea of what this home is about. Here is the specification sheet. And as always, please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this home. The price is $369,000. It is 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom. It does have a split bedroom design, which is very popular. The 2 bedrooms on this side of the home have a pocket door, and your guests could have a separate living quarters if you close that pocket door. And there's also a bathroom. We'll take a walk into the bedroom that's in front of the home. This would be a guest bedroom. I believe this home was built in the 2004-2005 time frame. It does have carpet in this bedroom. The wood floors do continue into this hallway. Here is the guest bathroom. It does have tile floors and a tub that does look like a fiberglass tub. And continue into the 3rd bedroom. This bedroom also has carpeting. This home is in a very good location. It is very near Sumter Landing. I think it's about a 10-minute golf cart ride to Sumter Landing. Take a panoramic view of the dining and the kitchen area. Go out and take a look at the lanai. This lanai is enclosed with windows. That's an upgrade. It's very expensive to put windows in a lanai. Most of these lanais just have screen. And a lot of the residents here in the villages will put windows in its place. Looks like it has a pea gravel floor. This home also has a bird cage. And as I mentioned in other videos, this bird cage area generally is used for sitting, or you could even put a barbecue grill out here. This is what your backyard looks like. We'll go back into the kitchen dining room area. The kitchen does have tile floors. It does have white cabinets, very high ceilings. The listing agent did tell me that the refrigerator is fairly new. The stove is electric, but it does have a gas stub in the back. And it is possible to put a gas stove into this house. The backsplash is beautiful. It's glass tile backsplash. The countertop is laminate. We'll take a walk into the master bedroom. Again, this house does have a split bedroom design. The master bedroom does have carpet. Split bedroom design is where the master bedroom is on the opposite side of the home as the two other bedrooms. That gives the owner of the home more privacy, as well as the guests who stay in the other bedrooms, gives them privacy as well. It's a very popular design, the split bedroom design. Does have a master bathroom. It has a his and hers walk-in closet as well, with shelving units. There's one closet. Here's the other closet. It does have two sinks with white cabinetry. It does have a commode room with a pocket door. That's also always a popular feature. People like a separate commode room. It does have a laminate countertop. It does have a shower with a glass door. Let's take a look to see what's inside that shower. That is tile. It is a ceramic tile shower wall. It does have a seat in the shower. Let's go and start exiting the home. Here is the laundry area, laundry room, which is right off the garage. And it is pretty typical that your mechanicals, your heating and ventilation system is in the laundry room. Sometimes they're found in the garage. This is a two-car garage. The floors are epoxied. The water heater is in the corner over there. It does have a sink. Give you one last panoramic view before we head outside. Thank you everyone for watching my videos and liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of 1454 Pelican Path, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home here in the Villages, Florida. Have a great day, everybody.